So, hello, welcome back to the brand new episode of Learn and Grow. So, in this SQL lecture, we're going to see what are the statements in SQL. Okay, first of all, we'll see what are the CRUD operation. CRUD means the operations we can perform on the data in the database that are nothing but the CRUD operation. CRUD stands for create or insert. R stands for read, then update, and then delete. Okay. These are the functions that you will need while creating a table or database. Okay. And along with that, there are most important topic is statements in SQL. So there are five statements in SQL. First is data definition language, which is DDL. Second one is data manipulation language, which is DML. Third one is transactional control language, which is TCL. Fourth one is data control language, which is DCL. And the last one is data query language, which is DQL. For now, we'll see what is data query language. Okay. So note it down the definition. This statement is used to retrieve the data from database. I'll repeat once again. What is data query language is this statement is used to retrieve the data from database. So in that these are the four statements: select, projection, selection, and join. So select is basically what this statement is used to retrieve the data from database and display it. Select statement, like how we write query. If for example, if I want to display the whole data from the table, a whole table, I'll add a query as select asterisk from table semicolon. There is nothing but the select. And projection, this statement is used to retrieve the data from database by selecting only column. All the values in column will be selected by default. So projection, how we write query: select asterisk from table name semicolon. So this is the most important line I am saying right now. Note it down or keep it in your mind. The interviewer can ask you this, and you must know this. The execution of SQL query language starts from clause and then select clause. Okay, in projection only, and every time the execution will start from clause only. Okay. So I'll give you the procedure. Execution will start from clause. It will fetch the table from the database, put it under the execution. Then it will go to the select clause, check the column name or expression, whatever. I have written select asterisk from table name. It will see the as soon as it will see the asterisk, it will put all the details of the table. It will display all the details of the table. Next is selection. This statement is used to retrieve data from database by selecting both columns as well as records. Uh, Selection means uh, you will be seeing afterwards where clause. This is nothing but the using where clause. This is nothing but the selection process. It will check the condition before displaying it. Next is joins. This statement is used to retrieve data from multiple tables simultaneously. Joins means in SQL we have left join, right join, full outer join, etc. We'll see it later, but for now just note it down. This statement is used to retrieve data from multiple tables simultaneously. So side by side you just need to write queries. Okay, I'll give you one queries, some sort of queries. Just solve it together, no issues. But you also need to put efforts in that, because learning is a never ending process. Okay, so stay tuned for the more SQL lecture, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and Please like this video and share this video with your friends and family and whoever need this SQL language. And if you guys want like what kind of interviews questions can ask for database management role, DBA role or data analyst role, you can comment on this video. I'll made one video with this roles what interviewer might ask as a database administrator or data analyst regarding SQL.